Have you ever been stuck trying to convert HTML code into an attributed string, only to be met with an error? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a common Swift issue and showing you exactly how to fix it. I know how annoying it is when your code works perfectly in one version, but throws errors in another. Trust me, you're not alone. This is a common issue developers face when upgrading their Swift versions. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How do I fix the error that says I cannot convert value of type NSAttributedString.DocumentAttributeKey to expected dictionary key, type NSAttributedString.DocumentReadingOptionKey?" Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this error? The issue arises from changes in Swift 4, where the types for document attributes were updated. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To fix the issue, the user should start by updating the options in the NSAttributedString initializer. In Swift 4, the expected key type has changed, so we need to use the correct key. Next, the user should ensure that they are using the correct syntax for the options. The new syntax uses the DocumentReadingOptionKey enumeration. Now the user can rewrite the HTML2 attributed string function with the updated options. This will ensure compatibility with Swift 4. Finally, the user should test the updated function to confirm that it works correctly without any errors. This will ensure that the HTML is converted to an attributed string as expected. Did you know? The first version of Swift was released in 2014, and it has evolved significantly since then. Keeping up with these changes can be a challenge, but it's worth it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using NSAttributedString.DocumentType.html for handling HTML strings. They recommend creating an extension for the string type that converts the string into an NS-attributed string using the correct document type and character encoding. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use NS-attributedString.DocumentType.html. This approach modifies the original code to specify the document type correctly. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced a similar issue with Swift 4. They suggest using NSAttributedString.Key to resolve the conversion error. They create a dictionary of attributes specifying stroke color, foreground color, and stroke width. Finally, they apply these attributes to the text using NSAttributedString. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the NSAttributedString initializer with a URL for reading RTF files. In Swift 4 and 5, you can specify the document type using NSAttributedString.DocumentReadingOptionKey. This approach allows you to avoid the conversion error you encountered. For Swift 3, the user notes that the syntax changes slightly, using NSDocumentType.documentAttribute instead. This highlights the differences in handling attributed strings across Swift versions. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always check the official Swift documentation when upgrading versions. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. Your code should be working smoothly now. Remember, keeping your code updated is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus pro tip on coding best practices.